Hello friends, this is CA Mohit Agarwal here. For those who don't know me, I've been an educationist since last 11 years, founder director of Mohit Educom Private Limited, and we also provide classes to various professional courses like CA, CS, CMA and other professional courses. We believe in nothing but the best quality education. Now, I have been receiving quite number of inquiries from especially class 12 students. My team has also received a tremendous number of inquiries that how should we decide a proper college. In this video, we are going to discuss two burning questions. How do we choose proper college and does college really matter? And the second burning question that should we go for BCom honors or BBA? So these two burning questions will be addressed in this video. I'll be sharing my 11 years of experience, and because I am in the position that I have seen students stumble by choosing the wrong course and making wrong choices, so I do not want you to stumble. So watch full video till very last and make sure you are subscribing the channel and sharing the channel and video with all other friends and your peers in your whatever WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups you have. Just make sure that you do share my views with others. Now let me give my transparent and very important views on it. The first question, does college really matter? Does college really matter? And the marks that we have secured in class 12 level, whether good, whether bad, is it going to have a cascading effect or a long term effect in our career? Now coming to the answer, whatever you achieved in class 12, very good. It will not have a long lasting effect on your professional career. Whatever education till class 12 we have received, it was always for our basic education building block, so that we can explore the professional courses in a much more better way. So whether you have scored 98% or whether you have scored 58%, it is not going to have any impact on your professional career, let me tell you that. It will have no impact. Yes, I do understand. Yes, I do understand. Now those who have scored 98%, 99% will say that sir is taking the credit away from us. No, sir is not taking any credit from you guys. Students who have secured 98-99%, congratulations to them. It is because of their hard work. But if they think that just this is the hard work which is going to reap the fruits in future, you are wrong, my friend. You are absolutely wrong. And similarly, any student who has secured 58% is thinking that his career is finished. You are more than absolutely wrong. So don't take extreme views. Now listen to me very carefully. Yes, I do understand that good percentage will get you a good college. I do understand that. But let me tell you, a good college, if you are doing professional courses like CA, CS, CMA, which you should, then good college, because CFA you can do only after your graduation, make it a point. And if you are going to do CA, CS, CMA, then trust me, even the best of the colleges will not matter, because once you are in the professional course of CA, CS, CMA, nobody is going to ask you your college. Your employer while recruiting you will not ask you your college, let me tell you that, if you have achieved the degree of CA, CS, CMA. If you are not doing any professional courses, then yes, good college matters. Then good college matters. But if you are going in for the professional course, then college does not matter. It's a clear-cut verdict from my side. Now, if a student is thinking, sir, I have secured 98%, should I go for St. Xavier's College and simultaneously should I join the professional course? Whether you are joining the professional course or not, it is up to you. My advice will be you should join. Now, if you are joining CA, CS, CMA, then what I said, college does not matter. It's just a brand image that you're going to get. It's just feel good factor that you're going to get. And obviously, because you have secured 98% or more than 90%, and if you are getting an opportunity in St. Xavier's College or colleges of that league, obviously you should not lose those opportunities. Obviously, you should get admission in a good reputed college. But if you think that it is going to fetch you some extra marks or extra money in your recruitment, once you have joined the professional course, my friend, it's wrong. It's just a brand image and a feel good factor. I myself did my graduation from the St. Xavier's College, but while tutoring student, while giving lectures to my students never ask me which college you belong to. It's just a branding, nothing else. Trust me. Now, St. Xavier's College, one more thing, that girls are not allowed in the morning slot of the St. Xavier's College BCom honors course. They are having the St. Xavier's College has the evening slot for the girls. So it does not matter, you can join the evening slot also, because nowadays most of the tuitions are online, so you can easily cope up with the online tuitions of the professional courses. Sir, what if I don't get admission in a very good or reputed college? If you are doing professional course, it does not matter. Then you should get yourself admission in such a college where attendance is not mandatory. The college going is not mandatory, and you can put more effort in your professional courses. And once you do the professional courses very well and you get a name of yourself, you get a rank, then automatically your CV's value will be inflated, will become very high. Now the second question that I am coming to, sir, whether to do BCom or BBA. Again, it depends whether you are doing professional course or not. If you are doing professional course, then you should go for BCom honors, because the syllabus is 100% same. Obviously, when I say 100% same, it means the syllabus of BCom is a lot more smaller, and it will be covered in the professional course syllabus itself, which means you will have to give no special effort for your BCom degree. The syllabus of professional courses always encompasses the BCom syllabus. If you are not doing any professional course, but you want to take care of your family business, then also BCom honors is good. Sir, I want to do MBA, that is why I want to join BBA. It's a myth, my friend. It's a complete myth. Do you even know that MBA is done in several fields? MBA can be done in finance, MBA can be done in marketing. So what kind of BBA will you do which will help in a particular MBA course? So trust me, even if you want to do MBA later on, but if you want to join your business, BCom honors will help you. And if you do not want to join any business, you don't want to join any professional course, no business you are willing to join as of now, no professional course you are willing to join as of now, then you can go for BBA, because the pressure will be a bit lighter. And in BBA, you will also be a bit more oriented towards maths and finance. So you can opt for that. But thinking that it will help in MBA later is a myth. Because MBA you should do when you have become a chartered accountant, or whatever professional course you have chosen, you have completed it, then you should pick up MBA. Okay, so this was my entire summary and view over the two burning questions, does college really matter, and about BCom and BBA. I hope you have found this video useful. I have given a very crisp view of my 11 years experience on it, and I hope that this video will allow you to make a proper choice, and I will be coming with more videos of this sort. So stay connected with the channel. Take care, subscribe the channel, share it, lots of love, take care, bye bye.